From this video, you will learn how to multiply mixed fractions with whole numbers step by step. So look, this is a mixed fraction, this is a whole number. Here I will show you how to multiply this mixed fraction with this whole number in just step by step following two methods. So let me show you the first method. So in first method, look, at first I will convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. That is why I have to draw a circle clockwise. I have to multiply denominator times whole number, then I need to add the numerator, that is 4 times 5, and we need to add this numerator 4, and we have to take the same denominator, and here we have 3. So now we have 20 plus 4 divided by 5 times 3. So here we are getting 24 5 times 3. So look, this 3 is a whole number, so easily we can convert this whole number as a fraction considering 1 as a denominator. Now we need to multiply top to top and bottom to bottom. 24 times 3 and 5 times 1. So we are getting 24 times 3, 5. So 24 times 3 is how many? Look, it is easy, right? We can rewrite this 24 as like this. 24 minus 4. Then we have here 3. That is 20 times 3. That is 60 minus 12. Right? So we have to add here plus, right? 20 plus 4, that is 24. So 60 plus 12, that is 72. So we have to write here 72 divided by 5. Now here numerator is greater than denominator, so this is improper fraction. Usually we convert this improper fraction to mixed number. So how to do that? We need to divide this 72 by 5. 5 goes into 7 how many times? 1 times. 1 times 5, 5. Subtract 2. Okay, bring down this 2. 5 goes into 22 how many times? 4 times. 4 times 5, 20. If you subtract, then you are getting here 2. So this is quotient will be the whole number, then remainder will be the numerator, and divisor will be the denominator. So 14 and 2/5 is the answer. This is our first method, right? I would like to show you this example in the second method. So how to do that? So look, in our second method, look, I will write here 4 and 5 times 3. So I can rewrite this problem. Look, I can rewrite 4 plus 4 over 5. Okay, 4 and 4 over 5 means 4 plus 4 fifth, then 3. So distribute this 3. 4 times 3, 12, plus here this 3 will be distributed here, that is 4 times 3, 12 divided by 5. Now you need to rewrite this. So look, the highest multiple of 5 for this number is 10, then 3, 15. We have 12, so we'll take the highest multiple 10. So that is, we can rewrite this 10 plus 2 divided by 5, right? Now we can distribute this 5. 10 over 5 plus 2 over 5. So we are getting here 12 plus 2 plus 2 over 5, that is 12 plus 2, 14 plus 2 over 5. Look, 14 plus 2 over 5 mean 14 and 2/5. So this answer and this answer is similar, right? So this is the two ways. Okay, let us take another example so that you can have clear knowledge. So let us take, let's say you have the fraction 1 and 2 over 3, and you need to multiply this fraction by 3. This is a mixed number and you would like to multiply this mixed number by this whole number. So let us solve by the first method. So convert this mixed number to improper fraction. So 1 times 3 plus 2 divided by this 3 times 3. Now you have 3 plus 2 divided by 3 times 3. So 5 over 3 times 3. Express this whole number as a fraction, considering 1 as a denominator. Now multiply top to top, that is 5 times 3, 15 over 3. Now express this improper fraction to mixed number. So how to do that? So if you look, 3 goes into 1, 0 times 3, that is 0. If you subtract, then 1, bring down this 5. 3 goes into 15 how many times? 5 times. So here our answer, there is no remainder, that is here our answer is 5, right? So let us solve this problem by using our second method. So how to do that? So let us rewrite, we can rewrite this mixed number as 1 plus 2 over 3, then multiply 3 and distribute these 3 to both. So 1 times 3, 3 plus 2 times 3, that is 6 over 3. So here you are getting this. So 3 plus if you divide this 6 by 3, you will get 2 and you will get 1. So 3 plus 2 over 1, that is 3 plus 2, that is 5, right? So from both case the answer is 5. So I think now you have understood how to multiply mixed fractions with whole numbers step by step.